What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. I'm finally back with a makeup video at that. I've been loving, I've really been getting back into makeup and I've really been loving it lately again, so that's actually a great feeling. But I'm here with a new makeup tutorial, like I said. Per usual, I'm starting off with my brows. Let's see if I can remember the products that I use because they're not in front of my face. I used the e.l.f. Ultra, it's called something. It's from e.l.f. for my brows. I'll have everything listed in the description box below if you're looking for specifics, but yeah. And then this concealer is from Wet n Wild, I believe, and I'm just using that to prime my eyes because if you're anything like me, if you're an oily girl like me, I need to set everything. So concealer for the base, then I put some powder on top to set it, and now I'm going in with the Sephora palette that I actually found from Marshall's, believe it or not, for like $5.99 I think. And I found 3 different palettes, so there are 3 different shade themes, so you know, be on the lookout for the other 2. But I decided to start off with this one because it's probably the most simple out of the 3 in my opinion. But yeah, I just went in with that dusty brown color in my crease, and now I'm going in with this kind of reddish brownish color, and I'm focusing it on my outer corner, and I'm also going to build up that color in the crease slowly but surely. So add it and blend, add some more and blend. You can never blend too much. Like, if you think you've blended enough, blend some more, because you probably have not blended enough, okay? Because you don't want your stuff looking a mess, you feel me? So just blend it out. And I'm adding more of that color and blending it out, just blending it. Yeah, we're blending it out. And then I went back in with some concealer for whatever reason. I didn't do a cut crease, so I don't know what made me want to add more concealer, especially after I put powder on and stuff, but it's fine. It worked out fine. But I'm putting on more concealer to kind of give the shimmer eyeshadow more to stick to, I guess. I honestly don't know why I did it, but I'm going in with this kind of champagne colored eyeshadow. I'll say champagne. Yeah, it's got a little bit of shimmer to it, and I'm putting that where I just put the concealer, and I'm going in with this shimmer color. This color has a lot more glitter to it and shimmer to it. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but I'm going in with this, and I'm putting that on top of that champagne color. And my camera cut off, so while I was off camera, I lined my waterline with white eyeliner, and I put on some lashes. And now I'm putting on some setting spray that's from e.l.f. And then I'm priming the face. This is the first, I don't remember what everything's called. Like I said, check the description box. But this is from First Aid. Definitely used too much right here. But that's fine. I know better for next time. But this actually really helps me, because I do have oily skin, predominantly in my T-zone. So my forehead, my nose, under my eyes, all that. But I'm actually trying a different method. I've seen people doing this a lot lately, like on TikTok and a little bit on YouTube, but mainly TikTok. So instead of going in with my foundation next, I'm going in with concealer, and I'm going up with my bronzer. Yeah, y'all see my face? I was very much scared because I was like, I'm using a lot of bronzer right here, but you know, I wanted it to kind of show up through the foundation. But you know, this video basically proves to trust the process. Like, when you think that you just need to start over, just keep going and see how it goes. Get to the end and see how it goes, because baby, when I tell you, I was so close to just wiping all of this off and starting over, but I'm glad that I didn't. So now I'm going in with my beauty sponge, and it is a damp beauty sponge, not a dry one. And I'm going in and I'm blending out this concealer. Now usually for my concealer, I use a color that's a little darker than this. Yeah, y'all see my face. I was very much scared because it's giving very much ghost right now. But I wanted to use something lighter so you can see it through the foundation a little bit. And now I'm going in with a tried and true Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is the matte version because, like I said, I am an oily girl. You feel me? If you do want to try this, this is a good foundation to like start off with. It's affordable. The shade range is pretty good. The formula is pretty good in my opinion. They do have a matte version, and if you have like dry skin, they have a dewy version as well. So I highly recommend check your local Walmart or Target. And that's all I'm gonna say because they are not paying me to say that, but you know, it is a good foundation to start off with if you're getting into makeup. I am in the color Coconut, I believe. That's my shade in this foundation. But I was actually like, I was starting to believe in the look at this point because I'm like, okay, it's coming together a little bit. I was still kind of concerned about that under eye because I was like, wow, that's really bright. But you know, I put some foundation over it to kind of tone it out. But then I put some powder on to set my face because I was very scared that stuff was going to start creasing and stuff was going to start sliding all over the place. So I let that sit for a little bit. And then I wiped it off with this fluffy brush. I love these brushes. I've had these brushes for years. They're from Sigma, I believe. But yeah, after I put that powder on, like under my eyes and stuff, I felt very ghostly again. And so I went back in with some bronzer to add some definition to the face. And now I'm going in with this Wet n Wild highlighter. Still love this highlighter to this day. Very beautiful. I did put on blush off camera as well. I don't know where that clip went, but I do have on blush. I put it on my cheeks and my nose because I don't know what it is, but I love putting blush on my nose lately. I'm really into that. So I'm putting on all this highlighter because I want to shine like a diamond, you feel me? And then I'm going in with the lips. This is from a brand called Blink's brand. There's a girl that I actually went to school with, and this is her brand, Black owned brand. So, you know, check it out. These smell amazing. These are like tinted glosses, so they smell amazing. I used a darker color the color I'm using right now is the darker one, and then I went in kind of the middle part of the lips with a shade that's a little bit lighter. And yeah, I'm very much loving this look. It turned out a lot better than I anticipated because, like I said, I was very scared. Right here, I do look a little ghostly. I did put on some more setting spray at the end, and then I went and put my wig on, and yeah, I'm looking real good and I'm feeling myself. But thank y'all for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, let me know what kind of makeup looks you want to see, and I will see y'all in the next video. Later, y'all.